What time we came here? 4:30 we came. Before sun was risen, I was here. I casted and casted and casted, and right now I already have a shoulder pain. I've casted more than 1,000 times. And I didn't even hook up a single fish, man. And now these guys have come in the boat. I hope at least they catch one fish and they go. Because they are professionals. And they go every day in and they come out every day. Let's see what they catch. Hopefully at least they catch. And even if they don't catch, which means the fishes have gone on vacation, as well as Arun is also on vacation. Looks like the fisherman, the professional fisherman itself is packing his tackles and heading back, right? I mean, they are not able to catch any fish. Look at the way he's taking out the anchor, man. So he's tied a stone and he's casted it right in between that big stone here. What do you think? Do you think he'll get the stone back, or do you think the line will get cut? Perfect. Did you see the way he took out the anchor? That's all, guys, we're going home. Looks like the professional fishermen guys are also heading back home. They've never caught anything. So let's wait for some more time, guys, and I'm gonna start casting again. So guys, since there is no fishes in this ocean, as they have all gone on vacation, let's go discuss what are the tackles that I've brought for this trip, my vacation. Yeah? Come, let's go over there. Back to my bag. So that's my rod and reel, guys. So which is Pen Slammer 4500 high speed reel, which is combined with Mitchell Fluid 9-foot rod. And just my other light setup, which is a Shakespeare 7-foot medium, light and medium, with a 4000 size Taiwa on it, 20-pound braid line with a 30-pound leader. Let me also have an eye over there if there is any activity. And let's talk about what I'm carrying with me. I'm carrying, did I lose it? Oh no! I just lost the clip, guys. Guys, I just lost the clip for it, and it just went right inside between the stones, guys. It's gone. You can see Seaman, Lucky John, Havas, some Chinese with mustard jigget. You can see Zerik, Seaman with mustard and some shrimps. Let's keep this aside. These are all some free tackles that I got. Squid jigs. Yeah. This is that Zerik, like the bumblebee, the crankbait, the bumblebee color. And these are all the regular Chinese cranks again. This one is a beautiful color, guys. Nice one. And the regular redhead. Oh, this is the transparent one. Maybe this is used. I don't know. Then I have my jigs over here. I have Lucana. This is Dio, and this is also another Dio. Beautiful, huh? I wish the water was not murky. This side, all are Lucana, which I've used jigs. What do I have? It's the Rapala lip grip. It's like I'm carrying a knife. What else do I have? Yeah, let's jump into the scales box. You can see show catch, Chinese lure. Oh, these are the new Halco that I picked up. Oh, this is I think pink fire tiger or something this is called. Beautiful. This is the H53, I believe. This is that golden and redhead. The redhead was not available in this out of stock, so yeah. Then I have the show catch, I have the Zerik, then the Chinese. So this is for the popping setup, light popping and ultra light popping. Then I have the Rapala, anytime Rapala dude. Oh, these are my favorite lures from Zerik. The one which I landed about 4.5 kilo Barramundi in the night on my last 2 trips I've landed, guys. Beautiful lure and Barramundi's favorite lure. And this is like the tail walk, the top water one. This is another, Dio product. This is also a very good lure. Which again I landed a snapper on it. And then you guys know about this one. These are the Chinese one. So this you can see I've not removed the tags on this. So I picked up these from Pepe Fishing yesterday from in Rameshwaram. This is my all-time favorite Rapala jointed 13. Red snapper has hooked onto it like crazy. Red snappers have got mangrove jacks on this. Beautiful lure. And of course the Kasab Vara Magic, which should be in your lure box no matter what. I have the sardine, the mullet color. Apart from these, I think you know what, I've kept a popper lying over there. I was casting that. This is a very good, this is one from the JDM poppers. Oh, that's good. That's the Z-Man, soft rubber. Again, I've landed a 7 kilo Baramundi on that. This one I just picked it up in case if you're going on a, for Paracuda. If there are any Paracuda actions, I thought I'd use this. And yesterday when I was there at this guy's place, Peppy Fishing, you can see what I picked up. I just didn't want to go empty-handed, so I just picked up some Chinese lures, and this is another Chinese jig that I picked up to try it out, at Targambadi or at Kumbhura. So in the upcoming days, I'm planning to go over there, as my vacation is a 5-day vacation. So yeah, I'm just waiting for another half an hour. By 8, what I see is I see the tide going up, as well as the parametric pressure also changes, and yeah, on the avionics says that it's a good time, and it has like 3 fishes on it, the avionics. So I thought, okay, let me try during that time. Hopefully, changes, and we should be able to land at least a few mangrove jacks over here. If nothing happens, I have my secret spot anytime, because whenever I come here, I do not go empty-handed. So I do catch every time. Hopefully this time I should be able to record, and then we'll be able to post it. So what I'll do is I'll take a quick nap on these stones, looking at the ocean, relaxing for some time, for another 15 minutes, and then let's connect, guys, by 8. You can see the time right now. Yeah. So by 8, I'll start casting again and give my hard work or meet. See you guys. See ya. Bye.